My friends, today I'm showing you how to start making money with your photos and videos right now. Head over to this website and sign up, link in the description. Now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to use the photos and videos that you already have lying around to start generating you some cash to pay for all this gear you have. Stock photos and videos have been a great way for me to pay off some of this gear and really have some nice passive income over the years, selling tens of thousands of dollars worth. It's really simple, and the great news is it doesn't matter if you're brand new at photography or you've been doing this your whole life. I guarantee you have some photos and videos kicking around that will sell. Now the good news is you choose how much or how little you want to upload, but of course your results are going to vary based on a lot of things, and especially how much you choose to do so. Guys, it's not for everybody, but this is a fantastic way, and in my opinion, the easiest way to make money with that camera of yours, while at the same time improving your skills. So let's dive into the website here and show you step by step at how easy it is to get going.
Now here's the website we're going to be looking at today, and I really wish this thing was around a long time ago because it would have literally saved me hundreds and hundreds of hours. And I'll tell you why. When you have to upload your product, either your photo or your video, you need to do some things so that it can become discoverable. And this is very time consuming, especially when you're uploading a huge batch of photos that are not the same, basically niche, we'll call it. This website takes out the heavy lifting by doing all of that stuff for you, including the keywording for the most part. Above and beyond that, it allows you to sell on a ton of different websites through them. And this is where it's going to save you so much time and so much headache, because every stock photography and video website is completely different, with different terms, with different pay structures, and of course, different process for upload. It can be incredibly frustrating and very time consuming, and really the reason why I haven't been so consistent with my uploading when it comes to stock photos and video. Make sure you read through the fine print and make sure everything is okay for you. And they're also going to give you 85% of the commission of what they sell through other websites and their own from this website. And that is just fantastic. The more money that you can keep out of your photos, the better. Of course, they need to make a bit of money, but this is definitely the easiest and the fastest website that I've found to streamline the entire process. Now I'm going to show you my day one here and my progress as I go in future videos. I want you to come and, let's say, compete with me. I want you to try and make as much money as you can while uploading and learning how quickly and easy this is. And this is the dashboard we're looking at. I still am part of other websites, and I have thousands upon thousands of photos and videos uploaded. Now the great thing about this one is that they're going to upload to those websites and sell for me. Now this is a very, very basic looking dashboard here, and it just breaks everything down really, really nicely. They have something called an easy submission limit, and as you get started here, you want to make sure your acceptance rate is pretty high, because the more acceptance rate you have, the more they'll let you upload easy submissions. And this means they're going to do a lot of the heavy lifting and keywording and everything like that for you. You can pay a small monthly fee and have that number upped, but I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to make sure that your acceptance rate is pretty high. So as far as a breakdown of what you're looking at here, it's pretty easy to understand. This is going to be all the agencies that you choose to sell on, with your total earnings over here, your balance and your payments, of course, and everything that you have in the pipeline, if you've submitted them, if they've been reviewed, if you need revisions, and of course accepted and not accepted. Now down here is going to be your approval rate, which you want very high, and this is obviously a look at your total earnings over time. Now this is a great breakdown and can really show you about what's selling and what's not, but this is a really nice looking and very basic, which is exactly what you want, outlook on your whole stock photography and video business, if you ask me. So we're able to sell images, videos, and vectors, and we can have a look at our portfolio to see what others see when searching for specific things. And if they want to search you as an artist, they can see everything that you have. Now here's a quick look at the first 30 photos and videos that I've uploaded to give you an idea about what it's all about. Now there's a whole bunch of different stuff here: photos, videos, time lapses, drone stuff, and this just gives you a great overall kind of variety of things. Now as you can see here, this clip is selling for about $50, and that means we're gonna take home over $40 of that. Not too shabby for one clip. Now, of course, you can specialize and really niche down, which we'll get into in future videos. But for now, I recommend just going through and seeing what photos and videos that you have stored away. I recommend throwing them in there and see what happens. You would be so surprised at what has sold for me over the years, just mind-blowingly horrible images. But you know what? Somebody somewhere is not gonna go out and take an image, or maybe they don't have access to a camera or the specific thing they're looking for, so they're forced to buy it for their project. And that's exactly what stock photos and videos are fantastic for. Stock photos definitely don't pay what they used to, and videos do actually pay you a lot more these days, but depending on the license people buy and the size of the file and whatnot, you can make from a little bit to a lot per upload. So my challenge to you is to get started right now, upload your first 30 images or videos, and see what happens. Follow along for future videos and tips so that you can maximize the stuff that's just probably sitting on the hard drive already.
So there it is, that's how easy it is to get going selling on this website, guys. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you are a channel member, check out my exclusive members only videos showing you how to maximize your potential and your profits using stock photos and videos. And if you're not too, that's totally fine. There's gonna be several videos on this process as I go, showing you from day one all the way to ongoing, just how much money I've made and the success that I'm having. Join along, guys, hit that like and subscribe button, join the community, and like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you soon.